and his hands are in a very precarious position. And isn't this lady rather tall? The more I use NightCafe Studio, the more I love it. Now, let me just take you through a few new add-ons to the Stable Diffusion plugin. In my profile, I've shown you a tutorial on how to use NightCafe Studio, and now I'm just going to use it myself. So here is my creation. I love Jack Vetriano, and I decided to do my own style, and I don't know what this guy's doing, but he's got his legs parted, and he's facing towards the sea, and his hands are in a very precarious position. And isn't this lady rather tall? So here we go. I'm just going to go into Create. This is the Stable Diffusion plugin. And here now, I don't know if it's because I'm using it more, but if I go to Show All, these are the 15 options I had previously. And I now have another 12 options, which is fantastic. So let's try a black and white portrait, and I want a World of Warcraft orc. Let's see what this brings back. Oh my god, I'm sat back in my chair waiting, at least 1 minute, and this pops up almost immediately. Look at the quality of that. Now this has got the essence of Planet of the Apes, and it's an orc, and it's exactly what I asked for in a matter of seconds. This is ridiculous. I can't even say ridiculous. So again, Create. I'm going to go back to Stable Diffusion. Now, one of the reasons why I'm choosing an orc is, again, another clue to the game that I'm building. So let's go Dark Fantasy and World of Warcraft orc, just to see what the difference is. Now, I'm not going to sit back in my chair this time. I'm super happy with this design, and I love art, and I like teaching myself how to draw, and what I intend to do is take these images and actually make characters for the game that I'm building. So for those following the Maple Story series, I know it's all in one playlist, but it's essentially to show you how I'm building a game in the background. And look, before I even finish talking, here is another orc. Now, you can enhance these, so you can actually grow the pixels and actually increase the quality. So let's enhance. I'm going to do ×4, use 2 credits, and upscale. And you'll see that the amount of pixels that this image is currently taking, it makes the picture this size, and it basically should blow up to the same size as my screen. Now, generally these do take a little bit longer. Now, I do envision when this is blown up, the face isn't going to look too great. But part of the reason why I'm doing this is to save time on physical drawings, and then whatever I don't like about the picture, I can then render later in Pixlr. Oof. Just as you saw the image pop up, it was pixelated. It went clear almost immediately, and as I thought, I actually don't mind this, because essentially what I want to create characters like this, but I don't want them to look like World of Warcraft. His face looks a little bit kind of deformed. He looks angry. He can't breathe through. This here could potentially be one line that is the nostril. So yeah, we know nostrils as being 2 on the nose, but You know, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for ideas to create different types of characters. He's got a weapon up there, his shoulders have got blades on, he's got a massive axe in his hand that looks incredible, that could almost double up as a horn. It's just really well laid out. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go back to create, same sort of thing. I'm going to put happy orc, because I want to, like, let's go crazy, happy crazy orc. And let's go for epic. Should I go epic or artistic portrait? Let's do portrait. See what this brings back. I'm loving these styles. That is just incredible. This is like I've gone onto Fiverr and paid someone $200 to create me an image. That is incredible. So I'm going to upscale this. I absolutely love this. And the best thing about this, I know that I'm releasing this onto the channel, and I know that these images are copyright free, or that, you know, there's no copyright infringement on these because I've created them in an AI effectively, and I know other people can go and copy them, but I'm going to essentially take that design, make it how I want it, stick it into things like Blender, make a 3D model before it even goes into the game, so no one is going to exactly copy what I have. And this is just saving me a lot of time. I've sat there and spent 6 or 7 hours on one drawing, and then I have to put it into Pixlr by scanning it, taking a photo, uploading that picture into Pixlr, and then kind of rendering the ears, or, you know, the nose, mouth, whatever that is, making the colours brighter, smoothing, blending things out. This has done it in a matter of less than 60 seconds. It's just beyond me. There we go, that's blown up to a much better picture. Okay, let's do another one. Now you can see from this Bon Voyage interest here that that's where I got the Jack Vetriano idea to you know, go and put that one in there. Let me try the Night Cafe image. I'm going to go, I love doing apocalyptic, so apocalyptic. Oh, I always get that wrong. Apocalyptic. I don't know what I got wrong, but apocalyptic. I did car park before. Let's do wasteland. There was a desolate wasteland before I started typing. Apocalyptic desolate wasteland with crocodiles. Can't spell today. Swimming in a moat. Oh, for God's sake. Trouble is, I'm typing away from the screen. Swimming in a moat. And let's go, yeah, Night Cafe style, create. I've just leant back in my seat, ready and waiting for this one. Sorry, there's a problem our end. Try that again. There you go. Sometimes if you put the words like blood, it won't allow it. So I was just making sure that I didn't put anything kind of offensive or anything. So apocalyptic desolate wasteland with crocodiles swimming in a moat. So that one took a little bit longer, but look at it. It's just ridiculously good. Again, I'm going to enhance this. The detail, I mean, that you just don't see anything like this. Again, it can be drawn. Oh, it's ridiculous. People absolutely love it. I'm in awe of myself. I'm almost speechless at how well this is just turning out. The colours, you know, I would have paid someone to do this. You've got a dead crocodile here, a happy one. Now this could quite easily go as game art in the background, maybe on the website, and feature the orcs. You know, it's incredible. In fact, this could be the entire backdrop of the website. Now while that's enhancing, I'm just going to try something else. So let's try and design a superhero. I'm going to go... I'm going to move the mic for this one. So Deadpool 3 was announced. So let's go Deadpool and Wolverine mashup. And superhero. This should come back pretty quick. I mean, because these are so quick, I'm actually tempted to do this video in real time. Sometimes I cut out all the boring bits, speed it up. Look, again, before I even finish talking. Oh no. That just means that this one has enhanced itself. And now look at that detail. That's, again, speechless. My creations, boom, look at this. So it hasn't quite got Wolverine right, it's definitely got Deadpool. But again, incredible. So guys, this video was really just to kind of showcase what NightCafe can do. I mean, as a studio platform, it's incredible, and it's going to save me a ton of time. And the more I use it, the more I bank up these credits. And it's not affiliated again, so earn credits. So the more I use it, the more it's giving me these free credits. And I share on Twitter. I like and, you know, go to other people's creations. If you go, you know, press like on them. This is just incredible. Baby and doll, press like. So the more you interact with NightCafe, the more credits it gives you. And even this, I just go on and use this myself. I can evolve this image. And this is really good. I mean, some of the scales are a little bit out, and this globe is not showing in the reflection. This looks like a person upside down, but their feet are kind of looks like a ball of cotton wool. But you know, when you first look at this, it is art. So let's go to the next one. It looks beautiful, just with a few words as well. Inside a rundown comic book shop, and that's exactly what it looks like. Ancient alien technology, incredible. Rundown Big Ben. Tower of the Rotten Flesh. So guys, if you like seeing this type of video and you want me to create more of them, press like on the video, subscribe to my channel. I've already got some character ideas for the game, which were done in a flat few seconds. So just to compare, I'm going to go World of Warcraft. Let's go movie, because I think that's where that's got that image from, the movie. So this is what it reminded me of, but you can see that the mouth is different, the nose is different, the eyes are quite similar. And then put movie cover. See, this is what I thought it took it from. There. But it is quite different. The nose is different. The nose looks more like Planet of the Apes. Just get that one there. Planet of the Apes. The eyes are definitely similar. The mouth is completely different. So I can't directly see that it's taking it from there, but it may have, certainly used it as a reference. It's definitely used that as a reference. So, like I say, if you like this video, pop a like on there, join the community, obviously building this channel, building ready for Discord, and then launching the token behind this game. Keep watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.